Ride, 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 come and vibe with me tonight.
What's up, brother? I'm Dope Boy.
What's going on, man?
I'm the president of Team Crank It Up.
Okay, Team Crank It Up.
Yeah, we crank shit up a little bit. It's not very loud when it comes to the SBL aspect. I'm more of a clarity music type of guy.
Okay.
But it's just where I like it, so.
So do you compete with it any?
Yeah, I compete in a Street 4 for Mecca.
Okay.
Unfortunately, every time I've competed, I've never ran with someone in the same class. So I really don't know where I stand in my class. But I'm doing a 148 at the headrest.
Cool, man.
Not too bad, especially for the first
One
time.
sub, yeah.
Yeah. One sub, it's an MD 8K, it's pushing about 4,000 watts. First time I ever picked up a sound build a box, so.
Okay,
Get fucked up, drink a little bit, smoke a little bit, pop a little bit. Hey, get fucked up, drink a little bit, smoke a little bit, pop a little bit. Hey, get Let go. What you doing? Pop a little bit. Pop a little bit. Nigga like she stupid. I tell her like this kid about to get to it. I'll let that hooker take your share and snatch your flash. Like a fool saying kick it in. Hey. Knew it then, I'ma tear the ass up. Then I'm over on the balcony.
Man, what you got it tuned to?
It's tuned to about 34-ish hertz, but it peaks around 44.
Okay.
I don't really know what I did with the design. I just used a Box Band Press Pro on it.
Yeah.
But it's 4.5 cubes. Don't know how big the slot area is.
And that's an 18? Or?
Yeah, it's a Resilient Sounds Platinum 18 on an MD8K. And then I got a Brand X 370 amp alternator on it.
So that's an MD8K right there without without the tag on it.
It got painted black a couple years ago.
Gotcha. Okay.
But it doesn't even get hot.
Man, that's nice.
Which was my concern because it's painted black with rhino liner, but everything works out pretty well. I mean,
good deal, man. Sounds good, man. It's really musical.
Yeah, I really like that. Like I like being able to hear a pen drop on the beat with the bass push.
And these are
PRVs. These are 8-inches in the front.
Okay.
I had 6.5s in the back, running on a Sundown 200-4 SFB.
Okay.
And then my tweeters are running on a separate amp. This is an Alpine ILX 650. They have that option to come with the KTA 450 on the back. I got my tweeters running on the KTA 450 on the back of this. And then all my doors are running in there.
Good deal, man.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, I appreciate the demo, man.
Hey, man, I appreciate you stopping by.
Yeah. You tell me what you got in here?
New Sound Cube, HD3, the X's.
Okay.
Simple Sound 2500, 0.1, half an ohm. Dropping both hard.
Crack pipe. It's 8-gauge ham.
that's good, man.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I appreciate the demo,
Oh yeah,
man.
appreciate it, man. I'll be doing a flat wall with 4 of them.
Oh yeah, yeah. Those are 18s, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
I'll be
good
doing a
deal,
flat
man.
wall here in the next week.
Shoot, yeah. Appreciate it.
For 2,500 watts.